So Meta just dropped AI Ray-Ban glasses with a display and a neural band that kinda reads your thoughts. Now that's cool. Perfect. Just what humanity needed, right? Because scrolling Instagram with your thumbs was too much cardio. And don't worry, these aren't dystopian surveillance devices. Nope, they are just a way for a $1 trillion company to live inside your eyeballs and brain. Basically, Zuckerberg saw Black Mirror and said, yeah, let's make that, but with a worse battery life. Alright, fine. Let's actually talk about this without making Zuck appear in my dreams tonight. Meta just revealed 2 shiny new gadgets. First is the Ray-Ban AI glasses with a built-in display, and the second is the Meta Neural Band, basically a wristband that reads your hand gestures and even tiny nerve signals. And if you're not scared yet, you should be, because the next step is them tracking your thoughts like, user just thought about pizza, so let's show him 4 Domino's ads. So first up is the Ray-Ban display glasses. Basically, you put these on and tiny little text and icons show up right in your field of view. Navigations, notifications, translations, all of that beamed into your face. It's like Google Glass, but people might actually wear it, because these don't make you look like a rejected extra from Star Trek. And apparently, you can ask Meta AI questions and the answers show up on the display, which is great because now you can be wrong but futuristic. Then there's the neural band. This thing goes on your wrist and detects tiny electric signals from your nerves, meaning you can literally think about moving your hand and the device understands it. So yeah, the neural band turns your body into a Bluetooth controller. That's cool, but also terrifying yet convenient. Weird, right? This is basically the tech equivalent of, I'm not touching you, but I am. Now imagine gaming with this. You flick your fingers and boom, you trigger a gunshot in some game. Or more realistically, you accidentally ordered 12 packs of toilet paper from Amazon because you twitched in a funny manner. Now let's be honest. This sounds like the future of computing. Glasses for display, neural band for input, and boom. We have skipped the keyboard, the mouse, even the phone. But also, let's be more honest. This is also the future of ads literally in your face, Zuck knowing when you're about to blink, and your mom asking why you're staring into space when actually you're doom scrolling Reddit inside your corneas. Oh, and the price, don't worry, it only costs your soul and $799. So yeah, Meta Ray-Ban display AI glasses plus the neural band, the future is pretty much here, and it's wearable. So if you're excited, congratulations, you're living in Zuck's dream, and if you're terrified, then same. That's exactly how I feel too. Anyway, I'm gonna go put on my normal Ray-Bans, the ones that don't beam ads into my retinas, and maybe wrap a tinfoil bracelet around my wrist just in case. Because if Meta's going to read my thoughts, they are gonna be very, very disappointed.